What if one tiny seed could change your health game? So Moringa with Berry sent me some of these moringa seeds, which come from a tree. These things are packed with antioxidants that boost your energy, support your immune system. Basically, they're a whole super seed package. Moringa seeds are like nature's powerhouse, to be honest. They're rich in antioxidants like glycerin and chlorogenic acid, which help fight inflammation and keep your blood sugar in check. They've also got vitamins A, C, and E that support your immune system for your skin's healthy glow up. Plus, they're loaded with iron for energy, calcium for your strong bones, and fiber for digestion. And the leaves, same deal, a green multivitamin. So yes, you can eat the seeds and the leaves once you plant the tree. The seeds are amazing. These seeds are actually your daily dose of vitality with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals all in one bite. They can have about 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 4 times the calcium of milk, 3 times the potassium of bananas, and twice the protein of yogurt. These seeds aren't exactly the same ratio, but they also bring in healthy fats and vitamins and minerals. The leaves are said, though, to pack more calcium than milk. The seeds, they're just a crunch away. And with the leaves, you definitely have super versatility. You can actually put these in your smoothie, like the leaves. You can put them in a smoothie like spinach. Same thing with the seeds. You can crush them up and put them in your salad, or you can just take them out of their shell. So this is what they look like before you take them out. This is what they look like after you take them out. And I just dropped one. So it says that you can, to eat them, you can eat them raw, you can soak them in water, or you can roast them. And you're supposed to eat 2 to 4 of these daily. Not to mention, you soak them in water for 12 hours. Then you plant it in 1 inch deep and well drained soil. The water lightly and placed in a warm, sunny location, because you got to germinate these for like 7 to 14 days before you can plant it. But this tree is so versatile and loaded with minerals and antioxidants. I was shook when they sent me these samples. Like, I'm so grateful that Moringa with Berry sent me these, because they are pretty amazing the more I keep coming across when it comes to these things. But yes, you can eat the leaves and the seeds, and you can also plant them. So it helps the ecosystem all at once. I'm just going to go ahead and eat these 4. They're different. They have like a sweetness as you're eating them, but then they do turn a little bitter. So, if you don't think that you can handle the flavor, I would chop them up or throw them in a smoothie to add the antioxidants into the smoothie, along with the leaves. If you have a moringa tree close by. If not, when you plant it and you want to eat it, since they're loaded with all these minerals, vitamins, nutrients, calcium, potassium, magnesium, like, this is basically a superfood and a healer of all healers. So why not incorporate this into your diet? Like your everyday, sorry about this messy head, I ain't even got ready yet. Incorporate this into your diet, because your body needs it. Your body, mind, and spirit needs this. I'm telling you, your body needs it. Your diet needs it. So tap the link below. Get you some of these. Thank you again, Moringa with Berry, for sending me this second sample. I'm very grateful. I'm actually going to try to plant at least one of these for now. I want to save the rest of these for when I have land so that I can plant them all over my land. Because I'm going to keep on taking these on a daily basis. But y'all saw it here. Before I get to rambling, tap the link below. Get you some of these because these are amazing. You absolutely need these in your daily routine.